Looking for a smart cleaning solution? The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop offers powerful suction and sonic mopping, vacuuming carpets and hard floors, while scrubbing stuck-on stains at 100 times per minute. With Matrix Clean technology, it ensures no spot is missed, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning. Clean Edge Detect blasts air to remove dirt from edges and corners for 50% better cleaning. The HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it a great choice for pet owners. It also self-empties for up to 60 days and recharges itself to keep cleaning non-stop. Enjoy effortless cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra. Get yours today.